Hello! Let's help Momo count the fruits. How many apples do you see? 1. Good job. 1 apple. How many bananas do you see? 1. 2. Well done. 2 bananas. How many oranges do you see? 1, 2, 3. Great job. 3 oranges. How many strawberries do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. 4 strawberries. How many mangoes do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good counting. 5 mangoes. How many pears do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. 6 pears. How many blueberries do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. 7 blueberries. How many peaches do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice counting. 8 peaches. How many pineapples do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. 9 pineapples. How many watermelons do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing! 10 watermelons. Good job counting the fruits. See you next time!